Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix slow performance and lag on your Samsung Galaxy A27. First, turn off the background apps by swiping your finger here and clicking on Close All. After that, we're going to clean some cache in the settings. Go to Settings. If you have any apps that may be taking a lot of cache, go over into Apps. As you guys can see, if it has some cache, you will see it in the storage. You will see it in the usage section in storage. You can do that for every single app. For example, Block Blast. If you've ever used it, then you will see it in the storage, but I did not use it. For example, Camera, you can go over here, go to Storage. Click on Clear Cache. Cache is gone. Click on Clear Data. The data is gone. We only got the space used by the app. Now everything should work smoothly and just fine. That's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.